Restoring your files in Backup Intelligence is simple. Simply click the Restore tab on the left to start the process. Choose the correct storage vault and click Next. The application will take a moment to retrieve your protected items data. Once it has, you can now choose which version of your protected item you need, whether it be the latest version or another version from the past. Also, if you have multiple devices using the software, you can restore data from the protected items as well. Once you've chosen your protected item, click Next, and then choose if you want to restore all files for this item or select specific files only to restore. Now click Next, and choose where you want your restored files to be on your device. For example, I'm choosing to restore my files to my desktop. But you can also restore to the original location if necessary, and if you choose to do this, you will have the option to overwrite any existing version of your files that are still stored on your device. Now click Restore and the process should begin. Once it's finished, you should see all of your files at the location you've chosen, and that's it. If you're having problems at all, you can click the Help tab and be taken to our help page on our website. Here you can read answers to frequently asked questions, or get in contact with us by placing a ticket or giving us a call. Thanks for watching.